Lol. To the basement. Yep, someone bled out.
Yep.
I'm on Danny. He's in the middle. He's running towards a ladder exit. He's going through the middle. Like the middle. Nice, dude. You got him. Yeah, that is tough, bro. That is so tough.
Alright, some type of door gotta be open.
Okay.
And
I can use my ability on the door that's open so we can see where they're going.
sliding. Sliding is good.
Okay.
Leyland. Oh, she got a lot of points, yeah.
Okay, Leyland went up the garage, like the ladder.
I think red door.
I think he's Gen. I think he's Gen side. Yeah, he's over here, Gen. I'm following it. Oh, Anna's right here. She's coming back through the door.
Okay.
Oh my god, I hit her 5 times. She's on the garage.
She come back through. She come back through. Bam.
Shit.
She went.
Yeah, I think she's back inside.
Oh, Leland. I'm on.
Oh my god, I hit him 5 times. How is he not dead? He's behind you. He's coming back through the middle. He's going to blue container, I think. No, he's running through the middle.
Where?
He's fighting me.
Okay. He's dead.
Oh, he died, yeah. Too nice. Dude, I hit him 5 times. How the hell? And I think you hit him too. What the hell?
Yeah, I did. What is Anna?
She was over by garage. Maybe she went over here. No, Slaughter Silver is still locked. Here, I can try to find her footprints, maybe.
Alright, since the other face over there, I'll go.
She's gotta be Jen's side, I think.
I'm gonna put a trap on Fuse.
Okay. Oh yeah, I have her footprints right here. Okay, let me see. So she ran through the crack over here, ran back around. Okay, she went through. Oh yeah, she's right here. She's running through the middle. Over back here. Yeah. I think she's going out the door. Or wait, where is she? Okay, I think she went down the well. Yeah, her footprints went that way and then came back.
Nope.
Oh no, she's over here. Yeah. She went back through the crack. Sorry, I'm kind of bad with Johnny. I don't know how to use his fucking. Okay, yeah, she ran back out here.
Found you.
Dude, that's why Johnny's ability is so nice. Helps us find the last person. That's why I like that. Yeah. Nice, really GG. Let's go. Okay. Looks like they're
Yeah.
in the shack. Okay, I don't think they have anything open yet, do they? These guys are sneaking around.
250, Julie. She's right here. She's not even out. Right here. Come on, Julie.
Okay.
Alright, Julie. Go around. Yep.
Alright, I got her.
Good money. Alright.
Nice, dude.
Nice. That's. Look for the rest. Let's get it. Connie's Connie.
Dude, that's
Oh,
fucking
somebody
good.
grabbing tools. That is so disrespectful.
I know, right?
Yeah, dude.
Sonny, you gotta respect the hustle,
Come
bro.
on, Connie. Found Connie. Connie going through the crack.
Okay.
Connie coming out.
Nice. You know where Connie went?
Yeah, she's over here somewhere. I think I see. Maybe. Found her.
Yeah?
Oh, me.
Oh my god, I got her again, dude.
Alright, Maria.
Damn, we were just speed running these guys.
Maria over here. Over here by this barricade. By the Leatherface lair.
Leatherface there? Okay, Leatherface there.
I just saw her.
Oh, she's on me. She's on me.
Okay.
Oh, that's not right. That's not right. That ain't the move, buddy. Dude, that was vicious, bro. Oh my god, bro. That was vicious. Ooh, that was vicious. Well, I didn't think about that, but yeah, I don't think these guys know what they're doing. I think these guys don't know. They seem confused. They're like running around when grandpa's. They're like crouch walking.
Sonny on me. That's Sonny.
Nice, dude. Did you drop down the well? Alright, I got the Julie.
Oh shit.
Dude, this is crazy, bro.
We need cut it. We need cut it.
Oh my god, bro. This is ridiculous, actually. This is actually ridiculous.
Leatherface the fastest. I'll let him go that way.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So one has 300 points. He got a kill too. So one of them has 300. That's the Anna. Oh,
Okay.
Connie's on me. She's coming through the crack in the middle. I just hit her twice. She's running across the middle.
I see her.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Coming.
She's coming back.
Alright.
Oh, did you get her?
Yep.
Dude, this.
Quickest smackers in PC alive.
Damn, GG's.
Dude, we just got fried.
I found that. They're on. I'm coming in. Look. Whoa! Come here.
You can get her. I'm gonna go help Leatherface.
Alright, Leland 250.
Okay. Virginia's going through the middle. She just blinded us.
I'm going up.
Shit.
I'm going up.
Okay, okay.
I just gotta make sure everything's good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
360, Virginia. Oh, she's right here. Come here. Hey, you hit my team. Oh,
Okay.
I
I'm
lost.
coming up.
She's
I'm coming
found
up.
me in the back. Tool storage.
Okay. There's still one in the basement too.
Okay.
Dude, this Virginia is such fucking dog shit character, bro. Honestly. Where's she at? She in the blue container?
Lost this girl. Yeah, she might be on sliding door
Okay.
stuff.
Oh, one's on Grandpa. Up top? That's probably a distraction.
Okay. Let me. Yeah, check the.
Silver's good.
I'm waiting on ladder. Here they come. Leland. Go on me. Leland.
Oh, no, no,
Ladder.
no, no.
Oh,
Oh, I got him. I got him.
come on. I love
Nice,
it.
nice, nice.
Go.
Look at his face.
I'm stunned longer than the hell. God damn. Alright, I'm going to place a trap on flat.
Okay, they got 900 points.
Virginia 9. Yeah. Slide good. Maybe door.
Left gen is
Back.
good. Is right gen good? I think it is. Hunters or gunners went there.
Sliding good.
Okay, I'm gonna check red. Red slaughter.
Okay.
Red slaughter's also locked. Wait, they're all locked. What the hell?
Nice. Let me see what the fuck
Okay.
is fused. Let me make sure this fuse good. Fuse good.
One's on the. Oh, never mind. Sorry, that's you. I was like, wait, what the hell? Like, what is this person doing? Okay. Okay,
Who
you got,
is it?
you got a bomb over here too. Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah, we're pretty. Yeah, it's pretty good bombs. We got pretty good placements here. They gotta be. Is fuse? Yeah, fuse good. Okay.
Fuse good.
Where's the valve at? Oh, it's over.
Oh, and missed somebody. Missed somebody. Fuse.
Fuse, fuse.
Fuse. Yep. They're over there in them bushes or something.
Okay.
Gotta be, no, unless they came out, leather. They come out. Oh, the house. Oh, it blew the house, bro. I'll stay over here.
Wait, where
I
are
don't
they?
know how. Yeah, it blew the door to the house.
Oh, the generator door. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Damn.
Let's go. But, oh, they're over. Yeah, they got the door.
Oh, they're generator side. Okay, gen side.
Yeah.
We're just like running back and forth. This is fucking funny. We're like a rubber band. We're just like. Okay.
Alright, I'm here.
Slaughter's still good.
Alright. One person is there.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
the girl.
Yeah, I can handle.
Yeah.
I can handle her. She's just running
I'll
around.
stay over here. Gen side.
She just wants attention. I'm gonna go up the ladder. She's stabbing Grandpa.
Damn, dude. Feel like they're gonna tag team y'all since I'm over here. Where does Sparrow go?
Okay, this Virginia's got some moves. Alright. Oh! Oh, that's the wrong move.
Johnny. Oh, the other person's at the bottom. Nice, I just saw them. They're at the
Where?
bottom, so I can leave from here. I can leave from here.
Are they basement?
Yeah, I just saw them grabbing tools.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that Virginia's got some moves on her. Damn, son. Doing the shake and bake.
Move this hall down, fire it up, yeah. No. Yeah.
Karma's Godly. Okay, I'll have to remember that name because that person's pretty good.
Oh, think they're coming over here up the ladder? Like maybe. Just I heard her voice. See that stuff? Yeah, that gotta be. It went down or something.
Oh no, she's on me. She's on me. Want to come into the middle? Yeah, okay, I got her, I got her. Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't be caught out in the open against Johnny. Nice, dude.
Can't.
Dude, we all got a kill. We all got a kill. Nice.
Oh wait. Vicious.
Yeah, vicious, dude.
Vicious.
Because he barged me. Like, if he didn't have his barge, he would have died there. Well, it would have been close. I know that. Would have been close. I mean, he perfectly timed all of that. So it's all good. I wouldn't be surprised if he was stream sniping. I don't think he was, but if he was, I wouldn't be surprised. Oh, my game crashed. Oh, there we go. Nice. Yeah, get the Leyland out of the game. Don't have to deal with that shit again. Okay. I just hear you fall down the well. Oh, one's over by the ladder. Virginia's opening the ladder.
Open a ladder.
Yeah, she's running through the hall, or the tunnel. She's going back to the ladder, I think. I don't know if she went up or not. Let me see if I can see her footprints. So she ran back in the basement. She's going bone room. Then she went through. Oh yeah, she's right here. Oh, I got her. Nice, dude.
Somebody's right there on bone room door. Sonny.
Okay.
Bone room door. Sonny.
I'm still executing Virginia.
Yep.
Nice, bro.
Just like that.
Damn.